Hey guys, today we are going to discuss about Ardita from Roganidana, which is Bell's palsy. It is the paralysis of facial nerve, which causes inability to close eyelid and drooping of the mouth. Let's talk about the Ardita in detail. Introduction. Face is the mirror of mind, which conveys the emotions like happiness, sadness, anger, disgust, fear, and so on. The- these motor and sensory functions are coordinated and controlled from the head, which is considered as Uttama Anga. Man is recognized with his demanding skill of communication with statements. The disability of both verbal communication and facial expression are hampered in Ardita. Ardita is a type of Vatajananatmacha Vyadhi. The word Ardita is derived from the root word Ardana, which means pain, discomfort, or trouble. Definition. अर्धे तस्मिन् मुखार्धे वा केवले स्यात् अर्धितम्. All acharyas have considered the face is the primary part in ardhita, which is getting afflicted by vata. Charaka Acharya opines that this disease is localized in half of the face with or without the involvement of body. According to Sushruta, vata vitiated gets localized in the half of the face. According to Vagbhatta, he followed the opinion of Charaka Acharya, stating that half of the face is getting distorted along with or without the involvement of half of the body. Nidana of Ardita. Ucche vyaharato atartha khadatah khatinani vam hasato jrumbato bharad vishamacha yadadapi. शिरोनास अष्टचिबुक ललाटे क्षण संदिगाः अर्धयित्वा अनिलो वक्त्रमर्दितं जनयत्यः, which means Acharya Charaka has quoted Vatavyadi Nidana as Nidana of Ardita and also mentioned specific Nidanas at Shiroroga Adhyaya in Siddhisthana 18, which can also considered as Ardita Nidana, as the Shiras is the Adhisthana of the Vyadi Ardita. In the context of Navagandharaniya Adhyaya, Charaka has mentioned Ardita as one among the complications arising due to the suppression of the urge of sneeze. Vagbhatta Acharya and Acharya Shishrita mentioned the specific nidanas for the Ardita disease. They are both Shishrita and Vagbhatta has enumerated the causes of Ardita. The causes are speaking loudly in excess, which is Ucche Vyaharato, churning hard foodstuffs, that is Khadatah Khatinani, excessive laughter, yawning and sneezing, that is Hasato Jrumbato, carrying heavy loads on head, sudden movements of neck and head, sleeping in an uncomfortable posture, use of pillows in wrong posture, either too high or too low. Acharya Shishrita added auxiliary points that following Rakta Kshaya in specific group of patients get afflicted by Ardita. They are pregnant lady, recently delivered lady, children, old people and emaciated person. Samprapti of Ardita. Because of above said Nidanas, Vata dosha gets prakopa and Sathana Shamshaya in the regions of head, nose, chin, forehead and the eyes causes Shoshana of Rakta Dhatu, which leads to the Ardita Vyadhi. Samprapti Ghatakas of Ardita, which is components dosha, prana, udana, vyanavata. Doshas are rakta and medas. Shrotasas are medavaha, raktavaha and samgnavaha shrotasas. Shrotadustri are sanya and vimarga gamana, that is pakshva. Udbhavasthana, that is pakvashaya. Adhisthana, that is siras and indriyas. Sanchara are rasayani. Vyaktasthana or Mukardha. Rogamarga is Madhyama. Purvarupa of Ardita. Yasyagrajo Romaharsha Vepayo Netra Mavilam Vayu Rurdhva Tvachi Swapastodo Manyahanugraha. Purvarupa of Ardita are Romaharsha, that is horripilation, Vepanam, that is tremors, Avila Netrata is blurred vision, Tvachi Swapnam is loss of sensation of skin, Toda is pain, Manya Stambhana is stiffness of the neck, Hanugraha is the stiffness of the jaw. Rupa, the lakshanas of Ardita. Vakri bhavati vaktrardha griva chapya pavartate शिरश्चापि शिरश्चलति वाक्सङ्गो नेत्रादीनां च वैकृत्यं ग्रीवचिबुकदन्तानां तस्मिन् पार्श्वतु वदनम् वक्त्री वक्त्रार्धग्रीवा चाप्यपवर्तते, which is the distortion of the affected size of the face. If the patient tries to laugh, the mouth angle is drawn to the normal side. Shiraschalati, that is tremors of the head and shaking of the tooth, and incomplete closure of the eye will be there. Vaksango, that is difficulty in speech and harshness of voice. Netradinam cha vaikrutam, incomplete closure of the eye. साध्य असाध्य लक्षणास ऑफ अर्दिता क्षीणस्य अनिमिषस्य प्रसक्तव्यक्ताधिभाषिणः न सिद्ध्यत्यदितं गाढं त्रिवर्षा वेपनस्य च. If Ardita is present in patient who are Kshina, Animeshaksha, that is unable to close the eyes, Avyakta Bhashina, that is with slurred speech, Trivarsha and Vepana. Trivarsha is 3 years chronicity or discharge from mouth, eyes and nose. Spectrum of Vata Vyadhis, which includes Ardita, can be cured effectively if the patient is Balavan and if the disease is developed recently. That is Nava. If you have any doubts or want me to improvise, let me know in the comment sections below. Thank you.